Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For everyone that is new, my name is C. So today I am coming at you guys with some new hair. Now I did wash this hair. This hair comes from Beauty Forever, excuse me. This hair comes from Beauty Forever. This is their 5x5 HD lace wig. This is in 18 inches. I did already cut the lace off, but this is the inside construction. So there is a brown lace here. You do get 3 combs, 2 in the front on the side. You do get 1 in the back with the elastic straps. So it says this hair is 200% density. To me, looking at it, I'm not sure if it goes by, like, depends on like the texture of the different, like the hairs, but this really doesn't look like 200 to me. Maybe I can go for like a 180, but anywho, it does say it's 200% density. This hair was pretty soft, easy to clean. I did use my silicone mixed products, the shampoo and the conditioner, to wash and condition the hair. I let it dry overnight, so that's why it's looking like this. But we are going to put some beautiful wand curls in there, so definitely stay tuned for that. So before we go any further, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell so you guys get notified whenever I post a new video. So let's get into it. So there is a little bit of shedding. Don't mind the cap here. However I part the hair, I'm just going to put some concealer on the part. Okay, what you guys saw me do was put some foundation powder on the cap and also on the lace, and I used the Bare Minimums Bare Pro in Sable 21 just to kind of make it look more blendable, most kind of scalp-like. So I don't really do like Ghost Bond glue or none of those type of adhesives. So I'm going to lay this down. I'm going to use the Gatsby. This is the styling gel, and I'm going to use this to just lay my wig down. Let me take it off the combs because that'll probably... So I'm gonna take my She Balm hair wax stick. Just to help flatten it a little more. All right, so we is done with the hot comb. Now I'm going to go ahead and do my face off camera because I'm trying to do a TikTok, so that's where I'm going to be doing my makeup look at. So I'm going to go ahead and keep this on so this can just, you know, dry down, because we want it to look like scalp. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do my thing off camera, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I am back. Just like a little colorful look I did for doing one of these TikTok videos. But back to the hair. So as you can see, I tried my best with my little baby hairs. This is the best they ever looked ever. So we're just gonna rock with this. So I'm just brushing the hair out. I'm gonna just put some quick wand curls in there. And I'm using the same Foxy Bay 32 mm rose gold curling wand. I did a review video and a demo. I will link that video in the description box just in case you guys haven't seen it yet. So definitely go ahead and support me. One thing I can say about this hair that it does shed a little bit. I am, as I like brush it or comb it, have like gotten like little pieces. But it's nothing like too bad. But I wish that was kind of like not the case. So I'm gonna just record me doing like a couple of the wand curls, but again, I already did a video on this this wand curler, so I'm not gonna try to spend too much time on it. Okay guys, so I finished curling this wig. So these is what the curls looking like. Just showing regular simple wand curls. Now I'm just going to just finger them out a little bit. So yes, this is the hair. Let me change my shirt because I really want y'all to see this hair, and it's really like blending in with this black shirt. So I'm gonna be right back. Okay guys, so this is the hair. Okay guys, so I changed my shirt. So this is how the hair is looking now that it's curled and it's styled a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and turn around so you guys can see the back. I swear, like, I love wand curls. Like, I prefer these type of curls rather than, like, you know, your regular curler that you clip and you curl and roll up the hair. Like, I prefer wand curls. I'm such a beachy, wavy, body wave. Like, those are my favorite type of hair textures, of hairstyles, especially when it comes to, like, my long hair or when I wear my long wigs. So, yes, I'm so obsessed. Again, I use my Foxy Bay. This is the 32 millimeter rose gold curly wand. But yeah, guys, this is it. I'm so obsessed with this hair. Again, this is the 5x5 lace closure wig. This is by Beauty Forever. This is, to me, is just like an easy, quick install. Simple. The only thing that took the most time was probably just laying it down in the baby hairs, because like I'm not the best at baby hairs. But let me cut this piece. Yeah, when it comes to that, I'm not the best. But yeah, I love this hair. I love the wig. So guys, thank you for tuning into my video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you guys can notify whenever I post a new video. As I always say, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.